Hello guys, welcome back to the Cherry Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Diablo 4 error code 300202, which is happening for many of the users. So this is actually a server issue which is happening for many of the users, and you just need to wait for a little bit of time unless it's get fixed from their end, because server issues always has to be fixed from the developers, so you need to wait for this. And also they have addressed the issue on their Twitter account, and they said this is actually a server issue which is happening for many of the users, and they're going to fix it very soon. And once you're done with this one, they will fix this up via Twitter. They updated all the users across the globe, and once it's been fixed, you can try playing the game without any issue. But even this is happening, you can also try some possible workarounds, which is all about you need to check yourself whether the Diablo 4 server status is going through any kind of issue. Like as you can see in the over here, you can see that it has been going through some kind of outages in the last 24 hours. But even the developers are trying to fix this up. But apart from this, we can also try two steps which did work out for many users, so you can try this out as well. The first one is all about you need to make sure the game is up to date. For that, you need to go to the battle.net over there. Now from here you have to go to the games and selected the installed games. Now from here you will be getting the Diablo 4 if it's already there on your battle.net. Select this one, and from here you are getting the options to get updated over here at the bottom. So just click on this one and make sure the game is up to date. As you can see the message over here, it's updating. So just update the game if any updates are there. After updating the game, that might be working out for you as well, so you can update the game. Once you're done with this one, next one is all about you need to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. Over here, as you can see, I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. So make sure that you're having a good internet connection, and you should be connected to the Wi-Fi, and you should be having a proper internet connection, and they're not going through any kind of issues or something. So these are the possible workarounds that you can be try out when you're having an issue on Diablo 4, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.